Hey guys, good morning. What is freaking up, you guys? It is another vlog in Denver, Colorado. All of you guys are hating on me for saying Denver, Colorado. I just can't help saying it. In today's vlog, I decided I was gonna film a what I eat in a day since moving to Denver. Again, every single day changes for me, but I feel like this is kind of what I've been craving lately, and these are the things I've been eating. I was gonna film a normal vlog today, but I have yet to finish the David Dobrik puzzle, and I just don't want you guys to sit through another David Dobrik video. So I'm gonna include all my David Dobrik stuff, and if you guys wanna see how much money I won, go check out yesterday's video. I literally don't even know how much money I won yet because I'm about to finish tonight, but I am eating a Chinese chicken salad for lunch today. I got the mix from Trader Joe's, and I actually don't like the chicken that comes with salads, so I cooked up my own chicken and just put salt and pepper on it. This is crazy that I'm eating a salad, but I've actually been craving salads lately. Also, today is Lunar New Year, so I felt like this was the perfect day to have some Chinese chicken salad. Let's take our first bite. Cheers, guys. That's pretty freaking good. The salad is a little wilted, but other than that, it's good. I feel like as I've gotten older, I feel like I've been more in tune with my heritage. And I have a question for you guys, especially for you guys that are Viet. I'm actually 3/4 Chinese and 1/4 Vietnamese. And I do relate more to my Viet side because my mom relates more to her Viet side. And I feel like most children relate to their mom's heritage. I don't know where I'm going with this story, but I have been wanting an ao dai for so freaking long. You guys don't know what an ao dai is. An ao dai is a traditional Vietnamese dress. They're beautiful, they're so cool. I used to have a few when I was a child, and they were like the prettiest things to wear. I loved wearing my ao dais as a kid. As an adult, I actually don't own any, and I haven't even thought of owning one since last Lunar New Year's. I was like, I really want to get one. So I was wondering, for those of you guys who are Viet, where do you guys get your ao dais? Because I actually haven't found any stores that I trust to get them from. They're not sketchy looking, they just like, I don't know if I can trust them, and they're like international and stuff. So if you guys have a store you guys personally get your ao dais from, please let me know. And I don't even know how many of you guys are Vietnamese watching my videos, but I'm just genuinely curious. Also, PS, let me know what your heritage is down below. Like, what is your ethnicity? I'm like super curious.
What are you eating?
A salad.
No.
It was Chinese.
What the hell is going on? Is everything okay?
It's Chinese New Year's today. So I wanted to
Are you
eat
going through something?
No, I really like Chinese salads. Or Chinese chicken salads.
Yeah, my favorite salad is like a Chinese chicken salad, and they have like little mandarin oranges in there. It's so bomb.
That is what's missing in here. If you guys have a Ralph's nearby yourself, am I saying that correctly? If you guys have a Ralph's near yourself. If you guys have a Ralph's, oh my God, I've been out of school for 5 years and I got stupid. Since graduating, I swear I lose brain cells every year and I just get more and more dumb. And please let me know if you guys relate to me in any sort of way. Like, please don't make me feel like the only person that has gotten older and just dumber. But what was I saying before that? Before I lost my train of thought. What was I saying? It's so cold in the house.
Sunday's supposed to be like 5 degrees.
What? Holy shit.
But then throughout the week, like Friday and Thursday, it's gonna be like 45, 55 sunny. Unless they get a snowstorm, which might happen. It could happen whenever.
Imagine being in this house during a snowstorm. That
Then
would
we
be...
couldn't go out and do stuff.
Yeah, but we'd be cozy in a snowstorm. Hey guys, I'm sitting by the fireplace. It is so warm and cozy right here, but I am grabbing a little snack. I am eating the skinny dipped almonds in dark chocolate cocoa. These are so good. They taste like candy, but they also have like the thinnest coating of chocolate, so it feels like you're also eating something very healthy as well. These are actually amazing. They're dusted in cocoa with a tiny hint of chocolate. Like, it's the tiniest covering of chocolate, so you get like the chocolate taste that you want, but it's not overpowering where you feel like you're eating candy. Like, it feels like you're eating an almond with like a hint of chocolate. 5 out of 5. Amazing snack. Hey guys, so the next thing I'm having today is some boba. Matt surprised me and took me to get some boba in Denver. I actually have been thinking about boba and I haven't voiced it to him. And him knowing me so well knew that I wanted boba at some point today, or at some point during this trip. And he was like, hey, go outside, meet me in the car. So then I went outside, met him in the car, and he's like, all right, I am taking you to boba. And it was like the best little surprise ever. I went to Lolly Cup and I got a peach green tea with boba. There were so many options at Lollicup. And if you guys don't know this, like I think Lollicup is like a franchise. I've seen a bunch of them around in NorCal where I'm from. I will say it's not as good as Boba Guys, but that's because Boba Guys has perfected their boba balls. Theirs are so good, but this is like a solid like 3.5. Definitely a place that is curing my cravings, and I will definitely be back. All right, I'm gonna sit by the fire because it's freezing. It's been so hard for me to get warm inside of this house because it's so massive, and it is a little bit of an older house. It was built in the 1930s, so I don't think the framing of the windows are like properly insulated, because that's the same thing with my house. My house loses heat really fast as well because my house was built in the 1920s. I'm gonna drink my boba and work on this puzzle. Hey guys, it is time for dinner now. So I'm gonna actually make a salmon. So normally Matt makes it. I am gonna recruit his help because I don't know exactly what he puts in the salmon because it's literally cracked. But I'm gonna start by cooking us some food. I think we're gonna have salmon with pasta. Normally we have it with jasmine rice, but we actually did not buy any rice. For the sake of this video, let's just pretend that we're having jasmine rice, because normally I would prefer jasmine over pasta, but we're doing pasta, baby. Hey guys, so the salmon's gonna be ready in like maybe 10 minutes. I'm still making the pasta, but I'm currently having some pretzel slims. I normally snack on something while I'm cooking in the kitchen, and originally I was like, I don't feel like filming this because you guys are probably not interested, but since I'm filming what I eat in a day, I figured I would show you guys everything that goes inside my mouth. Cue the sexual joke. One of you guys hated on these pretzel slims in my freaking comment, and I feel attacked. Attacked, I tell you. These are my hands down favorite things ever. They're dangerous for me to open because this is literally going to be gone possibly tonight, if not by tomorrow. Oh my god, I just broke something. Just fixed it, never mind. Did not break anything. Yum. Mmm. Alright guys, I have the salmons ready. They look so pretty. It's actually my second time making this, and Matt really helped me like figure out what seasonings to put on it. So I hope this turns out much better than when I made salmon for my Khloe Kardashian video. I hope Matt enjoys this little meal. So it's just pasta with salt and pepper and olive oil, and then on my salmon I put some soy sauce, garlic powder, and garlic, and then I also put salt and pepper as well. Okay guys, I highly doubt this is gonna taste better than Matt's, but Matt did help. Cheers guys. It's definitely not as good as Matt's, but it's not bad. Cheers, guys. Yum. It is the end of the night now, and it's currently 12 a.m. and I like to end my night with a can with ginger ale and some water mixed in, just because I don't like to drink soda this late at night. So I've been trying to water down my soda lately. This is literally how I end every single night, not only in Denver, but in LA as well. If you guys don't know what a can is pretty much something you can probably only get in states or countries where can is legal, which is CBD and THC. So a can just has 2 milligrams of THC and 4 milligrams of CBD. It's pretty much microdosing. I enjoy having a little bit of marijuana more than alcohol. I know people like to end their nights with alcohol or like a glass of wine. I like to end mine with a little packet of can. This is how I end my night, so I just want to end the video here, you guys. Comment of the day today comes from so many of you guys. Ax Pio asked, I'm obsessed by your outro music. Can I please know what it is? Please. Literally, I've been getting this so much and I keep forgetting to answer it, so I'm glad that I'm answering it right now. But the song is Your Song by Matt Fine, aka my boyfriend. So Matt did make me a song for my birthday the first year we were dating, and it's been my outro music since he made that for me. So it's been 2 solid years since I've had that as my outro music. So I am happy that a lot of you guys are finally discovering that song, and it's called Your Song by Matt Fine, and I'll link it down below for you guys. I keep forgetting to link it. But yeah, that's it with today's video, guys. If you guys want to be a part of the next question of the day and be featured, make sure to leave me some questions you wanted to ask down below, and it doesn't have to be like anything crazy. It can just be like a very basic question. Go follow me on Instagram at MissTiffanyMa. I've been posting so many sneak peeks of all my vlogs 2 or 3 days beforehand on my Instagram, so go follow me, and I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video for another daily vlog. Bye, guys.
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I'll be lost in you.